Welcome to Hasta Creations. In this video I'll show you how to make the beaded pearl necklace. For this we need pearls. These are round pearls which are about 5 mm in diameter, and we need a cord. This is also called as monofilament line, and the number is M144. As you can see, it's very thin. And clippers, and also we need a very thin needle to do the beading. I have put this cord into a thin needle, so I'm going to make a knot here, about 5 or 6 knots because they are too thin. So I'm going to clip the extra. So let me start. So I will start with 4 beads. Onto the needle, and I go back to the first bead like this from behind and go through all again. And while beading, it's a good idea to do this, like pull the cord a little bit so that it is tighter. So this is how it looks. So 4 I have put. Now this is considered as 1 for the next round or square. So 1 is already there, so I had to put 3 more. 1 2 3. Then I go from behind. See, my needle has come out with the cord on this side from this pearl. I go behind and go through, and again I go through all the beads to make them tighter, sit tighter rather. So I'm also pulling a little bit, not too much. So I have made 2 of these. So let me show 2 more. So again 3 beads. So going from behind like the previous one. There you go. Then go through all the beads again and pull a little bit. So 3 more beads. 1 2 and 3. So like previous one, I'll go from the other side of the bead, make again. So I have made, you can consider this as 1 2 3 4. So 3 more. In the same procedure you repeat. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 I have made. So I have taken my neck measurement, and I need like 60 like this, if you consider this as 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have made 6. So I'll be doing like this up to 60. So you can see I have put 60 like this. If you consider this as 1 2 3 4 like that, I have made 60. Now I will be showing you how to make the closure here. So on one side, so I have taken the cord again. So I'll come to this bead at the end, and I will show you how to make a loop here. So I'll be putting 7 more beads like this. So I have taken 7 beads. So go to the other side of the same bead, then come out. So this is, as you can see, this is a loop of 7 beads. So I go through all the beads one by one to make it tighter. I'm putting sometimes 2-3 beads at a time. You can go one by one if it is too hard for you. So let me go one more time to make it tighter so that it doesn't break. Then I can end it. I can cut the cord then. So 2 more to go. So this is quite tight, so go back here. I had to end it, so I had to put a knot. Usually I put 2 knots. So I go in between the beads and go through the loop. This is 1 knot, another one. So I'm going to clip this. Okay, so this is one side. The other side, so I had to make a knot in the cord again. Yeah, 5 is good. 3, 4, 5 or 6. Let me make one more. So I'm going to clip the extra one. So this is one side over, another side. So I go through one previous bead, I mean the bead before the end bead, then come out. Sorry, it has gone through. Yeah, it's fine. Then I'm here at the end bead. So what I do here, I take 5 beads, four, so I leave one like this and go through other beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the end bead. Come out. Like you get this one, like this. Then I do the same on the other side of the bead. Like take 5 beads. And leave one, then go through other 4 beads and come through the end bead. So it looks like this. So what I can do is I'll go through all the beads again to make it tighter. So what you do, go through 4 beads first, then the 5th bead, and come back through the other 4 beads like I did before. You can do one by one. I'm trying to do together. That is hard for you. So go through the end bead again, and this side also I will run through all the beads so that they sit tight. Okay, 4 first, and the 5th one, then come back through the other 4. So I'll go through this end bead again. So this is how it looks. So let us end it somewhere at the back. Not all beads, I will go through some. Okay, I'm going to put the knot now. So go through the loop, then one more. So I have put 2 knots. I'll pull it a little bit. So I'm going to clip it now. Okay. So this is how the necklace looks, and I'll show you how to close it when you put around the neck. So hold it together, go through this loop, just push it a little bit, not too hard. Okay, like that. So it sits like this. So this is how the necklace looks with the closure, and you can open, just push it or pull from the other side slowly. There you go, and it opens. You can also use this necklace as a bracelet like this. Thanks for watching.